In this video, I'll show you how to change text color in CapCut Mobile. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. From the main screen, tap New Project, then choose the video or photo you want to edit. After selecting it, tap Add to place it on the timeline. Once your project is open, go to the bottom menu and tap Text. If you have not added text yet, tap Add Text, type your message, and then tap the check mark to place it on the video. If you already have text in your project, tap the text directly on the preview screen or tap the text layer on the timeline. This will open the text editing options. Now look for the Style option. Tap Style, and you should see color choices for your text. Select the color you want to use, such as white, black, red, yellow, blue, or any other available color. If CapCut shows a color wheel or custom color picker, tap it to choose a more specific shade. You can drag around the color area until you find the exact color you want. Try to choose a color that is easy to read against your video background. You can also adjust other text settings from the same area. For example, you can add an outline, shadow, background, or glow to make the text stand out more. This is helpful if your video has a bright or busy background. After changing the color, move and resize the text if needed. Use two fingers to make it bigger or smaller, and drag it to a place where it does not cover important parts of the video. Next, play the video from the beginning and check how the text looks on screen. Make sure the color stays readable throughout the clip. Finally, tap Export in the top right corner, choose your preferred video quality, and save the finished video to your device. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.